Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. So in this particular video I'm going to be making a live withdrawal. Okay, so for those of you that have been following me up, you must have come across the first video I made, of which I started free on this particular platform. Okay, so I started for free and then I later invested about $30 or $34. Okay, so and right now I have about 11,300 CATLY, okay, which is what it was about. Okay, let me check right here and see how much is worth. Okay, so right here you can see it is worth about 46.58 USDT. Okay, so this actually in I think around 10 days. Okay, I think it should be around 10 days ago, and right here you can see I have made almost 15 USDT right here. Okay, so guys, you can actually try out this website. So let me just make a live withdrawal so you guys can see this for yourself. Okay, so I'll be dropping the link to the first video which explains how you can get the free token. Okay, so with the token you can actually invest the token automatically and you're going to be getting 3% of it every day. Okay, and you can choose to invest your own money. Okay, if you choose to invest, you're going to be making 3% of any amount you invest on a daily basis. Okay, so let me quickly show you how you can withdraw. Before showing you how to withdraw, let me quickly show you something right here. Okay, so if you're using the free package, you're going to be getting 30 CATLY every day. Okay, so the best thing for you to do to compound your earning, all you just have to do is to click on stake. Okay, so once you click on stake, your available balance is going to show right here. Okay, yours might be coming out 30. Yes, yours might be showing just 30 because you haven't invested, and it is possible you can still make money without investing, but I'll advise you put in some little amount of money so you can get something from this. Okay, so right here, if you want to restake, you just have to type in the amount you want to stake. Let me just type in 300. So once you click on it and you come right here and click on stake, it's going to stake, but I'm not going to stake this right now because I want to withdraw. So I'll just go back and then I will go on sell CATLY. I'll click on this option right here. Okay, so once I click on it, it's going to show buy CATLY, sell CATLY. So I am not buying, I want to sell CATLY. Okay, so I'll just click on sell CATLY. I'll type in the amount I want to sell and then I'm going to show me the words in USDT. Okay, so I'll type in 339. Okay, so let's see how much it's worth. Okay, so right here you can see it's worth 1.1300 USDT. Okay, so let me just click on sell now. Okay, so once I click on sell now, it's going to take few seconds and then you can see right here it is showing pending. So I'm just going to wait for a few seconds and see what is going to happen. Okay, while waiting for the withdrawal to drop, I would say you guys, if you're signing up on this website, you should take your time to go through the website. Make sure you watch the video link I'm going to be dropping in the description of this particular video. Okay, so that video explains how the platform works, how you can get your free token, how you can invest and everything. Okay, I made some live withdrawal right there as well, so everything is well explained. And if you're seeing my video on YouTube for the first time, do well to hit on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop new videos. Okay, and guys, make sure you make your own research about this particular platform before you invest. Okay, remember, I am not your financial advisor, but at the time of recording this video, this platform is paying massively. Okay guys, right here you can see it has shown success. Okay, so you can see right here it has been sold out. So let me check my Binance because I've not received any notification yet. So let me check my email, then I'll check my Binance and see if I received this USDT. Okay, so guys, right here you can see this is the transaction details. Right here I received the 1.2999 USDT from the CATLY network. Okay, so right here you can see this is the transaction. Okay, so let me go and check my emails to confirm once again so you guys can see for yourself. Okay guys, right here you can see this is the email I got from Binance confirming the payment. Okay, so let me click on it so you can see how much it is. Okay, so right here you can see it is the same amount I showed you guys on Binance. Okay, so you can actually test out this website and start making free USDT for yourself. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and share this video, and most importantly subscribe. Okay.